Banished from my home, I saw the first ship sailing across the Midroom Ocean. Disappearing mysteriously on our second night, the captain has left me the sole crewmate on this voyage. Since that night, I felt like there was something following me. Our ship has been damaged multiple times. I've had 4 hours sleep during a blistering heat wave. I've attempted multiple times to thwart whatever's out there with the supplies I could find on the vessel. An eerie light shines in the distance. If I could just get... What was that? If you remember back to my first episode, I wanted to include as many role-playing elements in my sketchbook, not just Colossal. The Stone Golem has been very beefy stats in Dungeons & Dragons. Thankfully, I'll only be using the combat system of Colossal this time. Let's find out its intentions. A 7 of clubs means it wishes to kill me. How rude. Magic and body type, a king of clubs. It will attack with 0 magic and become quite defensive. What about its reward? Ooh, an arm. Because it's a massive rook, it is a combat score of 5. That means 5 cards are drawn against my 3. In order, I have to assign equal to or more than the card drawn. I'll automatically take 2 wounds from the 2 extra hits. However, I only need 3 out of 5 attacks to succeed to win the combat. golem appeared in front of my boat after my escape from Flame Island. I had hoped not to encounter such beasts so soon into my travels, but can my luck get any worse? The beast threw its arms into the depths, overturning my boat. Luckily, I had been nimble enough to jump to one of its arms and hold on. After swiping on its second attack, I managed to spear its eye with a broken harpoon I salvaged from the boat. Blinded in rage and injury, it misses its third attack. The fourth one, however, launches me up into the sky. I'm a nimble swimmer though. I managed to save myself. Its fifth attack, however, smashed and destroyed my boat. I'll have to find another way out of here. As I was walking on the beach one day, I found a bottle in the sand. In the bottle, a letter written by hand. Strange looking hieroglyphs I couldn't decipher. I walked to the village to find the smoking piper. With knowledge filled at that of a seer, myths, legends, stories and questions. I paid her my arm but not my leg. She spoke in riddles, fueled from the keg. I searched for the sea stone, it then became known. I'll continue my adventure, my seed has been sown. I'll build my raft, stay close to the shore. I wouldn't want that golem coming back for more. Through thick and thin, my paddle is raw. The lats on my back, fragile as straw. 3 wizards floated by, in search for a twin. The flying turtle they sought, different story, I thought. Over the horizon there it was, a beacon of hope, there goes that trope. Clouded in misty fog, a promise of wealthy treasures in tog. I anchored my raft, straight to the palisade. I'm begging to think, this isn't just a charade. Here I am, finally, the treasure is near. I'm ready, I'm rife, nothing to fear. Since starting this series, I've had a lot more engagement through comments on YouTube, subscriptions, Reddit feedback, and praise on the official Colostle Discord. I encourage you to continue commenting and sharing just as you have to increase what I can do in this adventure. This may be a solo game, but I'm taking lots of inspiration from the comments that you leave behind. I want to say a deep, heartfelt thank you for those who take the time to watch my videos. They take a lot of time to create, and you commenting on them makes it all worthwhile. I printed out a few of my favourite comments and added them to the cover of the journal, as a constant reminder of what the series has meant to you, as well as myself. Thank you so much for watching.